Hello and welcome. In this episode I'm going to show you how to apply video actions to your screen capture. So I'm just going to play you through my little capture, which goes for 12 seconds so you can see what's happening. Basically I'm just showing you how to add a bookmark. So I go up to the bookmarks menu and then click add bookmark, and then I click cancel. So what I want to do is start using some actions to really focus the viewer's attention onto what's happening, so it's much easier to learn. So what I'm going to do is down here in my timeline, I'm going to drag my playhead up until the mouse is over the bookmarks menu. So this is my first main action, and I really want to highlight this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my video clip, so it has the yellow border. And then under video properties, which is the camera icon, I'm going to go down to this button and choose add video action. As you can see, it adds a little yellow action. And now I'm going to adjust the scale and then double click and drag up the canvas area here so that it's really zoomed in on the bookmarks menu. So now if I go back a few seconds, you can see that it will zoom in. If that zoom is too quick, and I think it is, we can double click on the tail end of that action and we can drag it out. It will tell you how many seconds it is here. So I'm going to have that at 1 second, and now we can play that back. So we have a nice zoom in. Next thing I want to do is add a zoom out. Well, it's really simple. Again, I click add video action. I can adjust the scale, so I'll bring that to say 145%, and then I'm going to adjust the position. Then I can play this back. So there's my zoom out. If I want it to go for a bit longer, I'll drag the tail out, and if I actually want to change the position of that action, I can double click the yellow action and move it so it occurs later in the recording. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is with my playhead at the very end of the clip, I'm going to add a manual fade out just for the sake of demonstrating video action. So I'm going to add video action, and I'm going to drag the opacity down to 0. So now I'm going to drag that out so it occurs over a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we get a nice fade out. So that is a basic introduction to working with video actions. If you want to delete one of them, we can simply select it in the clip and press delete. Now, the best way to get a grasp on video actions is just to experiment with them, add a few and see what happens. As you can see from the video properties area, any adjustment that it allows you to make can actually be recorded with a video action. This includes things like saturation. So I can add a video saturation and then desaturate to 0, and over the length of this little action that's just been created, it will go from color to fading out to black and white. So there's a huge amount of power in these simple video actions. So have a play and enjoy, and we'll have more ScreenFlow episodes for you soon.